I'm coming to you today with a haul. So, y'all have to excuse my appearance. I didn't get dressed today. I have on my pajamas and I have on my robe. Today was just one of those days. Like, my kids are acting crazy and I'm just not in the mood. But I had an unboxing. So, I'm happy about this. So, this is from Glamazon K. Y'all know that's my favorite. That's my favorite. That's one of my favorite YouTubers. And she has one of my favorite online shops. And I've been following her for years. So. Okay, so let's talk about this first item. This is a bathing suit. I think it's ice cream. It's called the ice cream. Is it called? I think it's called ice cream. That's what it had on her site. So, y'all know purple is my favorite color. And y'all know that this is going to be a hot mommy summer. So, I plan on being in swimsuits. Let me show y'all what it's working with. It's so funny because on this, I was watching this. On this website, this item has been sold out. And she restocked it, so I bought it. I'm so happy she restocked it. I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. So this is what it's gonna be. It's a two-piece. And this is the top. And these are the bottoms. I'm really loving this. I'm really loving this. This was either called ice cream or ice cream sprinkles. I don't know, but I really love this. I love the fact that it's purple. I love the fact that these little fringes is gonna give me some covering. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look how it's gonna look. With some white toes. It's gonna be a whole vibe. You hear me? So this is item number 1. I love this website. I love it. I love it. I love it. Item number 1. I think that makes my 4th bathing suit. All I need now is a nice bathing suit cover. I don't know why I'm getting shortness of breath. All I need now is a bathing suit cover. Then I'll be Gucci. Item number 2 is this. This is a fanny pack. This is a fanny pack. I can use it on like this. I can just hold it. Or, I've been dying for a fanny pack because I only have the one that my sister had bought me. And when I tell y'all, the animal print one, when I tell y'all I wear it everywhere, I wear it everywhere. So now I have another fanny pack. I gotta tighten it. Let me close it. Oh, it matches with my earrings. I'm gonna step back and so it's gonna go like this. I like her. I think she's cute. She was having a sale, so all this stuff was not the original price. I would have bought the bathing suit anyway because it was only $30, but after the sale, I think it came out to $22. So that was cool, but I would have bought it anyway. I just happened to go back on her website and they had it. The third item, last but not least, this is a tank top. This is like a pastel rainbowy tank top. This is so cute. It's multicolored. This is cute. I'm gonna step back so you can see it. This is what it's looking like. It looks like it's going to be like a little bit cropped, but that's fine because I'll wear some high-waisted shorts, a skirt with some white sneakers, and my fanny pack, and some silver hoops, and I'll be good to go. Yes. So that concludes my Glamazante unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye. Do y'all hear my kids? Y'all hear them? To all my moms out there, what do y'all do? Because I'm not doing the hitting thing. I don't want to do a yelling thing. I'm so over them. Let me show you what they're eating for lunch. They're eating these for lunch. They're over there getting thawed out because I just really, I'm at a 10. And I don't know, for dinner I'm going to go to the supermarket. I'm going to get some yellow rice. I already have some mixed vegetables. I'm going to get yellow rice. I'm going to get, do I have some mixed rice up here? No, I'm going to get yellow rice. I'm going to get a rotisserie chicken. And that's what they're going to have for dinner. Like, I'm just so over it. So, what do you moms do when your children or dads, when your children are just not listening and it's just really, what do you do? How do you handle it? What do you do? Because I'm like up to here, guys. I'm up to here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.